Looking for the perfect way to enjoy movies or work from your bed? The best bed tablet holder keeps your device secure and adjustable. Relax, read, or stream hands-free with ultimate comfort and convenience every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Lamicall Bed Tablet Holder. The Lamicall Bed Tablet Holder is a highly versatile and reliable choice for anyone looking to enjoy hands-free viewing from the comfort of their bed or any seating area. This holder features a flexible gooseneck arm that can be easily adjusted to achieve the perfect angle, allowing a full 360-degree rotation via the universal ball on the tablet clamp. This means users can position their iPad or smartphone at any angle for reading, watching movies, or attending online classes without straining their neck or wrists. One of the standout features of this tablet floor stand is its adjustable height, ranging from 130 centimeters, 51.2 inches, to 160 centimeters, 63 inches, making it suitable for lying, sitting, or even standing positions. Built with a heavy-duty base and premium aluminum alloy, this stand is exceptionally stable and durable, providing a safe and secure support system for your devices. The upgraded clamp ensures compatibility with a wide range of tablets and smartphones from 4.7 to 12.9 inches, including iPads, iPhones, Kindle devices, Galaxy Tabs, and even Switch consoles. Its broad usability extends to multiple locations, including bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, offices, and classrooms, making it a multifunctional accessory for daily life. Additionally, the stand can be used for creative purposes such as recording YouTube videos or taking pictures, which adds even more value. Overall, the Lamicall Bed Tablet Holder offers unmatched flexibility, stability, and convenience for anyone seeking a practical solution for hands-free tablet use. Its design balances functionality, durability, and user comfort, making it a top contender in its category. Number 2. BluuSuuk Bed Tablet Holder. The BluuSuuk Bed Tablet Holder is designed for users who want complete freedom while using their tablet or smartphone, whether for entertainment, learning, or creative work. This stand excels in providing hands-free convenience for watching movies, reading ebooks, taking photos, recording videos, attending classes, or playing games. Its flexible gooseneck design allows for multi-angle and height adjustments, with a height range from 13.4 inches to 58.7 inches, accommodating various scenarios such as beds, recliners, or desks. The 360-degree rotating holder ensures the perfect viewing angle can be achieved with minimal effort. The BluuSuuk tablet floor stand also emphasizes stability, featuring a double support structure and a heavy-duty 11-pound base capable of holding devices weighing up to 2.64 pounds without tipping. This ensures the safety of your device, even when fully extended. Compatibility is another highlight, as the upgraded clamp securely holds tablets and phones from 4.7 to 12.9 inches, including all iPad Pro models, iPads, iPhones, Galaxy Tabs, Surface devices, and Kindle e-readers. The stand's design makes it highly versatile, suitable for bedrooms, kitchens, classrooms, and offices. Whether you are streaming content, working from home, or creating video content, this stand offers ergonomic comfort and reliable support. Its flexibility, robust stability, and broad compatibility make the BluuSuuk Bed Tablet Holder an ideal accessory for anyone who uses tablets extensively and wants a convenient hands-free experience. Overall, it combines user-friendly design, durability, and adaptability for a practical solution to tablet use in various daily settings. Number 3. DIMONCOAT Bed Tablet Holder. The DIMONCOAT Bed Tablet Holder is an excellent choice for those seeking a stable and highly adjustable tablet stand for home or office use. Its design features a retractable crossbar that allows a generous 1,600 millimeters extension, ensuring users can achieve an optimal viewing distance and height for lying down, sitting, or standing. The height adjustment range of 107 centimeters to 160 centimeters accommodates multiple viewing postures, providing comfort during extended usage. One of the key advantages of this stand is its 360-degree rotation and 180-degree flip capability, allowing tablets to be positioned at virtually any angle for reading, learning, video calls, meetings, or streaming content. DIMONCOAT has also prioritized stability, using a weighted metal base with a 3 kilograms design and a triangular angular cone structure, ensuring the stand remains secure and slip-resistant. Additionally, the silicone-padded clamp protects devices from scratches and slipping, making it safe for prolonged use with expensive tablets and smartphones. Compatibility is broad, supporting devices from 4.7 inches up to 15.6 inches, including all iPad models, iPhones, Samsung Galaxy devices, Surface Pro, Kindle Fire HD, portable monitors, and even drawing boards. This wide compatibility ensures users can rely on this stand regardless of their device choice. The stand's robust construction, versatile adjustability, and protective design make it ideal for students, professionals, or casual users who want a reliable tablet stand for hands-free use. Whether for streaming, gaming, reading, or professional calls, the DIMONCOAT bed tablet holder delivers an excellent balance of stability, functionality, and ergonomic comfort, making it a top-tier option in its category. Number 4. LEVO Bed Tablet Holder. The LEVO bed tablet holder is a premium option for anyone looking for exceptional stability, reach, and ergonomic design in a tablet floor stand. Its ultra-stable 20-pound counterbalance base ensures the stand does not tip or bounce, providing worry-free security for iPads, tablets, or e-readers in home or professional settings such as classrooms, medical offices, or telehealth environments. The 24-inch extension arm allows the tablet to be positioned comfortably over beds, sofas, recliners, or chairs, while the 5-axis articulating swing arm rotates 360 degrees, offering portrait and landscape viewing. Users can easily fold the arm out of the way when not in use, maximizing convenience. Height and viewing angles are fully adjustable, with flip lever locks and micro-adjust height levers, accommodating a range of postures from sitting to reclining or lying down. The stand is compatible with devices 5.25 to 13.5 inches long, supporting iPads, iPhones, Galaxy tablets, Surface devices, Fire tablets, and e-readers, with Pro ends that keep cameras unobstructed for facial recognition. This versatility makes it perfect for streaming, reading, video calls, or presentations. The LEVO bed tablet holder combines durability, superior flexibility, and ergonomic design, ensuring that users experience minimal strain on the neck and back. Its professional-grade stability, wide device compatibility, and thoughtful design make it a reliable choice for both personal and professional use, delivering a seamless hands-free tablet experience. Number 5. Peastrex Bed Tablet Holder. The Peastrex Bed Tablet Holder is a durable and versatile solution for hands-free tablet and phone usage in bedrooms, kitchens, offices, or classrooms. Built with high-quality steel and heavy-duty springs, this tablet floor stand supports devices weighing up to 3.3 pounds, surpassing many competitors in load capacity. Its flexible boom arm and ball head allow for multi-angle adjustments, accommodating viewing positions such as lying, sitting, or standing. The height range of 15 to 67 inches ensures ergonomic comfort for any posture, while the heavy-duty round base, weighing 11.5 pounds, provides excellent stability and prevents tipping. Peastrex prioritizes device protection, with the holder securely gripping tablets and phones from 4.5 to 13 inches, including the latest iPad Pro models, iPads, iPhones, Kindle devices, Galaxy Tabs, Surface Pro, Switch, and more. The stand is also ideal for creative and practical use, such as online classes, video recording, TikTok live streams, photography, or gaming, offering versatile applications beyond casual viewing. Its robust construction, combined with broad compatibility and adjustable angles, ensures that the device remains secure and accessible in any scenario. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.